don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Welcome to Mapens to TV. It's the FIFA Club World Cup. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Flaming 0. I'm joined by Umfana Semnambiti. It's Asanda.
Stivo, mnati. Ngigrand. Yeah, Stivo, siyabonga kakhulu for leli thuba iSundowns esiphelona. So kwazi ukuthi sizofakaza nathi ngeClub World Cup.
Yeah.
Akusi ithuba elinekezana noma ubani. Kunama club amaningi around the world. Host ama YouTube channels like abo Liverpool, abo Barcelona. Kunama cheater khona laphana afuna ukuthi analyze iBarcelona after game ukuthi idlale kanjani. So they didn't get the chance ukuthi bekwazi ukuanalyze ama team abo. Yet they are best clubs kuma continent abo. But thina we were able to get this opportunity from Mamelodi Sundowns. So okwesibili angingene kule ndaba ye Cape Town City Sithiwo kubhlungu ukuthi such a team hlala isikhathi eside kangaka kwi PSL idlala i top flight league. I think the last time i Cape Town City idlala kabi it was back in the years nami ngisafunda isikole ngisemncane ukuthi i Cape Town City ibe kanje, but this time they were really worse. Bashaya Orbit College. I think bahluleke nokushaya ekhaya. So I think uku-relegate vele they really deserve ukuthi bazithole kabusha nabo as Cape Town City ukuthi bayilahliphi kahle yabo. So it's unfortunately because some of these players are still young and they are developing abo Witboy, abo April. There are a lot of youngsters lapha nowabonayo ukuthi these players can be good players. But sizobona benza kanjani. So manje ay opportunity right nayo le bangayisebenzisa.
Serero ngoba uqeda ukufika.
Serero ya, Tulani Serero ya, just ubuyile mzansi from Europe.
Mvela.
Imagine.
Barikole yadi now I not there.
Yeah, so Sithiwo ya kona sizobona kodwa ukuthi benza kanjani. Okay, angidlule ngingene kule Sundowns. I think iSundowns Sithiwo ngizokhuluma nje shortly ngale game yabo then bese ngidlulela kwezinye izinto. I think iSundowns the tactic yabo abayisebenzisayo ibashayile yokuthi bazosheshe bapress bafuna ukuthi bathole ama early goals. Bheka ukuthi uUlsen badlali opening game by press uUlsen bathola igoal kwe offside. Balithola lesibili kwa igoal kwangena elinye lesithathu kwabe offside before half time. You go to Borussia Dortmund, they scored the first goal, then they made those few mistakes early they ukuthi ba consider 4 goals. But these things yakutshela ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns the whole tactic bekuthi at least if we score an early goal siyazi ukuthi now seku about ukuthi si manage kanjani game. So today they faced a Fluminense team that has experience yokudlala le FIFA Club World Cup. If you remember, they played the final FIFA Club World Cup against Manchester City. They were finalists 2023. They lost by 4 goals. So that game, if we back ukuthi they wanted to play the style of play abadlala. Style of play sase Brazil, we all know ukuthi these players they like ubeka ibhola win, and they were faced against Manchester City every dominate Europe yonke winning everything. Then bayibona mistake yabo ukuthi actually bayilahlela. So coming to this game they know exactly ukuthi Sundowns nayo it's the same team efuna ukuzibambela ibhola. Then they saw ukuthi okay asibadedeleni belibamba ibhola labo sifuna ukubona ukuthi bazokwenza njani. And Mamelodi Sundowns into engiyibonile the whole game into ebashayile ukuthi you are dominating ibhola. Uyadlala lokhu uyaliphasa uyakhipha ususa ka left ulishift ulise ka right, but in a boxing nama numbers awungaka. Do you put crosses because uyabona lamajitsi akuvalile akudlala low block ayishintsha ibe mid block, but they don't put numbers ukuthi bakupress forward bafaka ama attackers ukuthi create ama chances. If ubheka the whole game abayithola nge shot on target, the first Brazilian team kule competition ukudlala the whole game without a shot on target. So it shows you ukuthi bona they are plan abazenawo bebengafuna uku-attack bebengafuna ukuthi bescore ama goals, but they wanted ukuthi sizo defend the Sundowns. Then if we get those opportunities, if ubheka khona le opportunity abayitholile whereby badabula uLunga, I think uLunga bamdabuleka u3 because ngena that side enye yayishaya iphuli and uRonza besakamile lapha. It was a clear goal yana if beku someone obe clinical. Unfortunately beku striker that comes from injury. I think it's Kano, that guy. Khona ledlalayo bise benchina number 9. Iyona ejwayele ukuqala ama games but bamfaka namhlanje. It shows you ukuthi they didn't want ukuthi by destroy Sundowns, but into abafuna ukuyisebenzisa ukuthi how can we mark Sundowns, how can we ensure ukuthi si manage defensive line. If ubheka ukuthi Thiago Silva akaqalanga le game namhlanje, ask yourself why. Thiago Silva ukhumbula ukuthi is an experienced old player. If face against Reynas is a player in speed. If ekwazi ukushiya le enye defender uThiago Silva with left exposed because akanaso speed, then wamkhipha wafaka someone else amazi ukuthi uzokwazi ukummatch. If ubheka uReynas, how many ama runs behind the defense awenzile? No runs, because babe bemgadile ukuthi noma engaya left noma engaya right. If ubheka even ama wingers abo, this guy number 17 efaka imask as a keep, that guy be helper then guy lomjitho number 6, I think it's Rene. uRene besizwa le amjitho bephambili number 17 ukuthi be double mark umdawu this side every time mayethwa overlapper bengakhona ukwazi ukuthi athole yellow ball leli ngithola. So Sithibo, it was so hard for Sundowns ukuthi break the team, and especially abakwazi ukubreak wide, abakwazi ukufama crosses. If ubheka ama chances abawatholile, it was 3 chances abawathole in between 10 minutes the whole game. The whole game for the should for the 80 minutes abadlalile abakhonanga uthola shot on target, and also ama substitutes ufaka someone othakaza scorela ama goal ushalulile but here to keep Ribeiro. What was the reason ukuthi keep Ribeiro the game? If Ribeiro for sure when we am Mthembu as a number 10 uzomnika number jersey number 10 okusho ukuthi he's the best player kwi-team Sundowns njengamanje. So you know ukuthi he's a player ongavuka out of nowhere. If against Borussia Dortmund uzobheka kahle umsubstitute whereby Sundowns isephethe ibhola seyidominate Borussia Dortmund got to keep Ribeiro, and that's how they lost the game. If ubheka today futhi ufaka someone ozosukela ama goal but supply ubani Sales, because Sales ngiyazi ukuthi as much as you may say ukuthi is a good player but consistent yamshaya akakwazi ukuthi akuproduce the same results for a game in the game ilandelayo, and someone angali collect ezansi but mase sekumela progress aqhubeke naleli bhola lilandile akalilandi bokumnaka bombuke kahle uphasa ibhola azihambe le space insakhe la azothola khona ispace esivulekile wide but akalilandeli leli bhola leli aliphasile. If ubheka uAlende, it's a player who made more passes, 76 passes kule game, but uAlende mawubheka beka isolated especially after substitutes kamkwela. If ubheka bona beno Adams mina ngizokutshela abadlalanga nje as someone bebe pivot but abadlalanga as abantu abanale quality leyo ukwazi ukuhold ibhola ukwazi ukuphasa ngithola. But ke Sithibo ngizokutshela nje ukuthi today okay le game Borussia Dortmund was the game for Sundowns ukuthi bay win. If they won that game I think today ngabe sikhuluma indaba, but round of 16 bebezofacana Inter Milan. If Babe number 1, if they scored like 3 goals, if they scored 1 goal, they will be best of face River Plate. Lea Master Stuno, Lozo Sanele Real Madrid. So it's 2 teams, Lawanzi, Melania, Argentina, and yes, Europe. It was not something a bit of a lula for Bonaparte. It would have benefited them because in Malabai Tolile, it's that 179,000 and 71 million for let draw. Nale win abayitholile against Ulsan. So at least khona babule nakho Steve. But man of the match nginike Fabio. Superior man of the match, yeah. Fabio le 44 years. Yaqala ukudlala ibhola back in the 1997. Yeah, so nginikeza man of the match because ukwazile ukuthi even though i-defense yakhe bilele first half noma i-game mayisaqala but yena ukwazile ukuthi ayisave. If ubheka leya 1v1 against Tertius Metus ngabe sixoxa enye indaba. But idanko Steve.
Ayidakwa Sanda. Hayi